Here's a great deal on the 2019 GMC SIERRA 2500 HD. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this truck refuses to compromise. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.